Chondrosarcoma. Chondrosarcoma is the second most common primary tumor in adults and accounts for about one-third of all bone malignancies. It produces hyaline cartilage matrix with morphological heterogeneity, and clinical behavior is dictated by location and pathological features. The tumor is subtypes as central, that is intramedullary, or peripheral, that is surface, and primary, de novo, or secondary, arising from the pre-existing benign lesion. Further histologically divided into conventional, dedifferentiated, clear cell, mesenchymal, and periosteal chondrosarcoma. Conventional chondrosarcoma accounts for more than 75% of the tumor, followed by dedifferentiated, which is 10%, and other subtypes comprising of 1% to 2% cases. In conventional chondrosarcoma, 5-year survival rate depends on the histological grading, with more than 90% survival for low grade, that is grade 1, in contrast to 77% 5-year survival for high grade tumors. Dedifferentiated chondrosarcoma have a dismal 5-year survival rate of 7 to 24%. About 50% of the conventional chondrosarcoma harbor missense mutation in the isocitrate dehydrogenase 1 gene, that is IDH1, IDH2. IDH1R132 and IDH2R172 are the most common, with IDH1R132 accounts for 40% of the mutated tumors. Isocitrate dehydrogenase is a constituent enzyme of Krebs cycle and catalyzes the oxidative carboxylation of isocitrate to alpha ketoglutarate and carbon dioxide. Heterogeneous mutation in IDH1 and 2 lead to neomorphic state where a toxic metabolite 2-hydroxyglutarate 2-HG is produced, leading to disturbance of metabolic and epigenetic mechanisms related to cellular differentiation. An accumulation of this 2-hydroxyglutarate affects major cellular pathways involved in epigenetic remodeling and DNA repair. Most notably, the 10-11 translocation TET family, 10-11 translocation family of the demethylase and JMJC domain containing histone lysine demethylase KDMs, leading to DNA and histone hypermethylation and transcriptional dysregulation and promotion of oncogenesis. About 15% of the periosteal chondrosarcoma harbor this IDH1 and 2 mutation and demonstrate dysregulation of the RB signaling pathway and WNT signaling pathway in 50% and 89% of the cases respectively. COL2A1 is a major cartilage collagen gene, is mutated in about 37% of the chondrosarcomas, with insertion, deletion, rearrangements of this gene causing disruption and loss of function, affecting collagen maturation and matrix deposition, contributing to tumor formation. In 20 to 30% of this tumor, additional alterations in the T53RB1 pathway, Hag-Hoek pathway, CDKN2A, TERT, ATRX have been discovered in next generation sequencing technique. In a recent multimodal analysis of 102 samples, expression profile has revealed 2 mRNA subtypes, one with overexpression of chondrogenic differentiation markers such as aggrecan, chondroadherin, and parathyroid hormone 1 receptor, another enriched in cell cycle related genes and lacking expression of cartilage related markers, subtype E2. Notably, E2 subtype was enriched with grade 3 and dedifferentiated chondrosarcoma and was associated with the genomic complexity such as polypoidal and poor survival. miRNA transcriptome analysis has revealed 4 robust subtypes, all leading to decreased expression of 86 miRNA, particularly loss of expression at one cluster at 14q32 locus, and that was associated with down regulation of this extracellular matrix interactions and poor prognosis. 3 methylation subtypes were also identified, and which include benign grade 1 chondrosarcoma M1, grade 2-3 chondrosarcoma M2, dedifferentiated chondrosarcoma M3, COL2A1 and CDKN2A alterations were more often seen in M2 tumors. And older adults, and M3 was characterized by low chondrogenic differentiation and down regulation of the endochondral ossification pathway, consistent with abundance of dedifferentiated histology in this subtype. So in this multi-omics classification that characterized tumor into IDH wild type versus mutant, 14q32 locus loss of function and a low differentiation, high proliferation microRNA profile, there was high association with overall survival compared to traditional grading system, and a multi-step process of tumorigenesis has been suggested with acquisition of proliferation subphenotypes. IDH mutation and 14q32 expression loss in progression to a aggressive subphenotype. An immune environment enriched in T lymphocytes with an upregulation of PD-L1 has been demonstrated in dedifferentiated chondrosarcoma. Exostatin EXT1 and exostatin 2 gene mutation are seen in peripheral chondrosarcomas that arise in a pre-existing osteochondroma, either de novo or in context with the autosomal dominant multiple hereditary exostosis. EXT1-2 mutation are loss of function mutation that are nonsense frameshift or splice site mutation, leading to premature termination of this EXT protein. And while homogeneous inactivation of this EXT gene are also required for the osteochondromogenesis, the frequency of homozygous inactivation of the EXT gene are low in peripheral secondary chondrosarcomas, and it has been proposed that these tumors arise in the context of additional acquired mutation in wild type cells devoid of EXT mutation in an osteochondromas. Genetic instability and loss of heterozygosity are also associated with the malignant transformation. Central secondary chondrosarcomas can arise from pre-existing enchondromas or in association with the syndromic entities such as Ollier disease. Ollier disease is the multiple enchondromatosis, or Maffucci disease, which is enchondromas and hemangiomas. So Ollier disease is a multiple enchondromatosis. Ollier disease, multiple enchondromatosis, and Maffucci disease means enchondromas with hemangiomas show IDH1-2 mutation similar to conventional chondrosarcoma. So mesenchymal chondrosarcoma is a high-grade translocation associated tumor with a classic biphasic histological composed of primitive round or spindle cell intermixed with the well-differentiated hyaline cartilage elements. Tumor is genomically characterized by a recurrent in frame fusion between HEY1, that is hairy enhancer of split related with the YRPW motif at chromosome 8q21.1, and NCOA2, that is nuclear receptor coactivator 2 at chromosome 8q13.3, and this trimeric fusion occurs as a result of intrachromosomal deletion between exon 4 of HEY1 involving basic helix loop helix DNA binding domain, and exon 3 of NCOA2 involving 2 DNA binding domain, and exon 3 of NCOA2 involving 2 C-terminal activation domain. NCOA2 is a member of the P160 nuclear hormone receptor transcriptional co-activator family and recruits histone acetyltransferase and histone methyltransferase to specific enhancer or promoter regions, facilitating chromatin remodeling and transcription of nuclear receptor target genes. HEY1 is a downstream effector of Notch signaling pathway, binds as a dimer to specific promoter regions of target genes and function as a co-repressor. As HEY1 NCOA2 replaces the C-terminal of HEY1 by NCOA2, C-terminal activation domain, it is believed that the fusion protein may recruit co-activation through NCOA2 to Notch or HEY1 target genes, leading to oncogenesis. And this fusion can be detected by various molecular techniques such as which includes fluorescence in situ hybridization, reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reactions, and RNA sequencing techniques. And it is to be noted that NCOA2 is a promiscuous gene that is involved in translocation with multiple partner genes in other tumor types, including hematological malignancies like AML and soft tissue tumors like infantile rhabdomyosarcoma and angiofibromas. Thank you.